My name is Tariva Woodard, and I am the founder of Kare. I am a wife. I am a mom. I've been a licensed barber for the last 8 years, and I love it. And that's what led me to start Kare, because I love taking care of kings. So, of course, with me being a barber, I talk to my clients. I'm always figuring out what they're doing with their hair. A lot of guys will come in and their hair just wouldn't be maintained. Like, I can cut, I'm an amazing barber, but I can only work with the quality of hair that you bring to my chair. So I would ask them, like, what type of products do you use on your hair? And they would always say, well, whatever my girl has under the sink, or whatever my mom bought for me, or whatever my sister bought for me. Or there would be guys that just say, oh, I just grabbed whatever out of the store. So it just made me say that I need to find something for men to be able to use to care for themselves that is of quality, because men don't think that far, I don't think. I definitely feel that the main thing that sets us aside is the fact that it was designed by a woman. When I looked and I did my research, I did see that a lot of brands were men that found a problem and they wanted to find a solution. I think that mine is different because I look at the clients that I take care of. I look at my husband and I see what I would like for him to look like, the type of products that I would like for him to be able to use. So us being all natural, vegan, paraben free, it's made here in the U.S. It's something that's of quality. So I think that's what sets us aside. And then again, the fact that I'm a woman in this industry, that automatically sets me aside. I think that it is very important for women to be involved in the care of their man. I don't think a lot of women, or maybe a lot of women do, realize the weight that a lot of men carry on them. But a lot of men don't think to care for themselves. So that's why I see a lot of guys that come in the barbershop, they use whatever on their hair so their scalp isn't maintained. Or just the thought of having a woman say, hey, let me wash her hair for you. That's an intimate moment, that's bonding, that's going to build a different type of relationship. And it also just shows that you actually care for them in their appearance. And when you look good, you feel good. So I think that's important. Our mission is to deliver high quality natural products that enhance the healthy growth and maintenance of each king's crown and beard. Our vision is to provoke men to indulge in self-care and mental wellness through providing luxe products and experience. Because self-care for men is something that I think a lot of people overlook, because men are looked at as to be so strong and they can take care of everything and we look to them for everything. So I wanted to create something that was specifically for them, to help them to be able to care for themselves. The future of Kare, I see us being a household name. I see us being a part of the everyday regimen of the everyday man, so they can have a luxury experience. Even for those men who are blue-collar workers, at least they can go out, they can work, they can come home, and they can have them a piece of luxury by experiencing Kare. I see it being a legacy for my family. We have 3 beautiful girls, and I plan on them being able to run the company and me and my husband being somewhere off on the island.